Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. We've got Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission with us yet again. It's Valentine's Day, and if you're like me, you may have waited till the last minute to do something, but you've got something that's really quick and easy to make for that special someone.
And you know, it's Day for Family Fun Month, so this is also a recipe that you can involve the children of all ages in doing different steps to it. We're going to start out, I have 1/8 ounce carton of soy cream cheese in here, and I let it get softened so it's going to be easy to stir. You are going to add some powdered sugar into this. I'm going to mix that in, so add that. I'll keep stirring, and then you're going to add some vanilla. You see that vanilla there? Yes, great. We'll add that and stir that. So these might be ingredients you already have on hand. This is going to be a healthy dessert because we've got that soy protein in there. And then we're going to put in 1 cup of whipped cream. You can use that, and yeah, you probably.
I think we need this.
Yes, we do. And I'm just going to kind of fold that in so that we have that blended to make a nice filling. How does that look?
That looks pretty good so far.
Yes, it does. I'll show how we did that, stir that. And you'd want to maybe stir this just a little bit more, but because you have that soy cream cheese that we had at room temperature, it's easy to make. Then a step we've already done ahead of time that I'm going to show you, and these are little meringues, so everybody will have their own little dessert. You can make them in a circle like this, or you can make them, this is kind of heart-shaped here. But what this is 3 egg whites that you beat till they're stiff. So if you have older children, it'll be a great practice to separate an egg, but you want to caution them when they're doing this kind of recipe. We don't want to get any of that yolk in with the white. So we're going to mix that with a little of the cream of tartar, make it nice and foamy, and then add 3/4 cup of sugar, gradually add it in, and it'll get stiff. Put that on parchment paper on your baking sheet, and then spoon about 1/3 cup. And you can see kids will have fun doing this. We make a little indentation, and that's so that we want to put that filling in there.
Okay.
What I did to make the heart, though, was I had drew with a cookie cutter a heart shape on there with a pencil. Then I turned it over, and I could see where my heart design was there, and then made that so we'd have a heart. Now what we're going to do is add the filling. Just put that filling in there. So you could actually do the meringues ahead of time. They're going to bake at 275 for about an hour. Then you're going to turn the oven off and let them cool in the oven. So we'll put that in there and put the filling in. So you could make these ahead of time. And then we're going to add strawberries to the top.
Right.
So we have to have that red right for the strawberries. And then what you have over there is a little bit of salted soy nuts. That adds just a little bit of crunch. So just sprinkle some on the top there. And that'll add just a little bit of extra crunch to our desserts. How does that look?
That looks pretty tasty right there. So you don't want to go overboard, just enough to add that little bit of crunch in there.
That's right, and we've had this will actually make 8 different desserts, so you will have one for everyone in the family.
Perfect. Well, Charlene, thanks so much for sharing this with us. And of course, you can go with the Kansas Soybean Commission to get this recipe.
KansasSoybeans.org, or call our 800 number 877-KS-Soybean.
All right, and of course you can find it on our website, KOAMNewsNow.com. We're back with more right after this.